Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is Garry Dean, Rapid Ride Rehab. This is a 2007 Avalanche. I'm going to show you a demo on my brand new alkaline touchless car wash solution. A lot of the solutions on the market require two different solutions, one of which is going to be an acid, the other of which is going to be an alkaline. Without getting too complicated, pH neutral is around 7.5 on the pH scale, around there, between 7 and 8 generally. When you go down from that, you get acidic. When you go up from the 7.5, it's an alkaline. So mine is a heavy alkaline based solution that has other detergents and stuff in it, but mine is equally or more effective than all of the other touchless car washes that I tried against it with one solution, not two. Now let me show you this car before I get the solution ready to go. It's already mixed up. I'll show it to you. It is not on the website yet, but it will be March 1st, 2026. That is also the first day of the spring kickoff sale at rapidriderehab.com, but it is still currently detailjuice.com. We're still working on the website. My web guy has had some issues this winter. It is almost done, and we'll be swapping over from detailjuice.com to rapidriderehab.com very soon. Now let me show you this Avalanche, then I'm going to go ahead and get to work showing you how effective my touchless wash solution is on this Avalanche. So check it out. All right, so lots of pollen. This hasn't been washed in years, not years, probably a couple months. You can see all the nastiness there. Bug splatter, general yuck. You can see how dirty it is. You can see all that. I mean, she dirty. So lots of dirt. Just generally nasty. So I have the brand new solution right here. This stuff is absolutely amazing, but of course I'd say that my name's gonna be on the bottle, but the only way you're really gonna know how effective this stuff is well, watch till the end of this video and or go ahead and order you some up. This is also a very different dilution than most. Most of the ones on the market actually dilute 4:1, I believe. So 4 parts water, 1 part product. This dilutes 1 to 7. So you're going to put 2 ounces for every 14 ounces you put in there. Or, well, 1 part of this for every 1 ounce of this to every 7 ounces of water. So basically in this 32 ounce foam cannon, I put what's missing in there, which is about 2 ounces in there. I filled it up with water, shook it up, and now I got my electric pressure washer set up. This guy is an 1800 psi 1.2 GPM electric situation. I am using deionized water. So we're all shook up in there, and I'm going to put you on the tripod and go to town on this Avalanche. So hang tight, I'll bring her right back. Okay, so I have you on the tripod now, and I'm going to go around this Avalanche. I have not pre-soaked it. I did not pre-rinse anything, nothing. It's just dry. That's how I recommend you do this, because the alkalines are actually going to break down a lift and break up the dirt. It's all going to do it by itself, and the pressure washer with the deionized water is going to basically just rinse it all away. So that's where we're at. Let's take my nozzle off of my gun here, put it in my pocket. Go ahead and get this thing going. The pressure washer. And there we go. So I'm going to go ahead and get to town. Or go to town. There we go. Working now. Okay, so I just chit-chatted with the neighbor for a few minutes while this was doing its thing. A 40-degree nozzle is going to be a wide fan and generally is all you use for something like this. I like to use the 25-degree because it actually gives you a little bit more pressure. As you narrow that fan pattern, you get a little bit more pressure. This right here is the 40-degree. This right here is the 25. It's about an inch to an inch and a half narrower. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit it with this 40-degree nozzle and just blast everything off. All right, here we are. I popped the hood because I had a bunch of leaves in here and I couldn't get them all out without popping the hood and spraying in there. So I did that as well, and then I rinsed all that off. But I have not touched this vehicle with anything but the touchless wash solution and water, deionized water. Little pressure washer, foam cannon, that's it. Look how clean it looks. Now, this works as a very good pre-soak if you're looking to decontaminate. It will remove your protection. Notice the panels here are pretty flat, but look how clean those wheels are. I know that it's hard to see exactly how clean it is with all this water on it. So I'm going to give it a little bit of time, but I'm going to walk around it right now. I do need to spray up in there a little bit, get all those suds out, but that wheel, super clean. All the road grime from the lower panels came right off. I don't know if you remember, but there was a ton of dirt in here, which you cannot see anymore. This side, same thing. I mean, this thing was dirty. It is not dirty now. Is it completely, utterly contaminant free? Absolutely not. There's no way to do that without touching the car. It is, if I had to put a percentage of clean to it, this is about 95% clean. It's 95% of what you'd have with a contact wash. It took me maybe 10 minutes to do the whole thing, if that. And with deionized water, you literally can let it dry in the sun with no problems at all, and you won't get additional water spots. Now, if you try to dry this, you are going to rub the rest of the grit that's on the paint into the paint and create swirls and scratches, which is the whole purpose of a touchless wash, is not only to save time, but really it's so that you don't have to rub the dirt that's on the car into the paint, creating swirls and scratches. Now, this is not a black car, obviously. It is on the lighter side, obviously. If you had done this with a black car, it would give you very similar results, but you'd be able to see the results a little bit better. This car looks very clean. It is not overridden with nasty pollen anymore. If I do touch it, I don't feel a ton of crap on the surface. In fact, it didn't even get anything on my fingers other than some water. And you can see where I wiped. But all the bugs are off and it looks great. So this is an awesome way to do your maintenance washes. So for example, if you did a full correction and ceramic coating. Matter of fact, this does not have any ceramic coating on it. That solution will not break down a quality ceramic coating. In fact, it will not break down my CRHPP 1150 or Rapid ceramic. It will not break down either one of my ceramic coatings or the Super Stack ceramic. So those three, Super Stack, Rapid ceramic, and the CRHPP 1150 were designed to utilize the touchless wash on top of. So if you have a ceramic coating already on your vehicle, you're going to get more like 98, 99%, if I had to guess, of the dirt and grime off, because the surface tension is increased with the ceramic, and you can literally just blow off whatever you don't want on the surface. So you'd be hard pressed not to say that this Avalanche looks pretty dang clean and good. I'm standing about 10 foot away from it and it looks amazing. Again, it's not perfect, but perfection is not reality. And you can take that to the bank, Jack. So anyway, the brand new touchless wash solution, it will be called Rapid Touchless. It is a bright, vibrant blue. It is safer to use and deal with than any of the other touchless on the market that have acids in them. Matter of fact, there's two major brands. We'll just say one's very patriotic in the names and one is very boom situation. So with that said, that's amazing. It works equally as good or better as whatever else is on the market now, because I've tested them all the ones I could get my hands on against this. And I worked to develop this until I liked it better than the other stuff I was using. And if you watch the other people's videos on other touchless products, you'll find that they also do not remove any more dirt and grime and brake dust and crap than mine does. So, You'll also find, I have not settled on the final number, but it will be sold in 2 ounce and 16 ounce, just like pretty much everything else on the site. And it is going to be more cost effective than pretty much everything else on the market as well. So if you got questions for me, 813-846-4406 is my cell. Let me know if you need me. Have a great day, guys. All right, it's been a couple hours. Went inside and did some work. I mean, it definitely needs to be polished, but this is not dirt that you're seeing coming off of there. It is very clean. I mean, very clean. I mean, your lower portions are going to be your dirtiest. Still got a couple of drops of water on it, but look how clean, man. Super clean. I know I shot some of this area and you can notice that all that dirt that was there is gone. Usually the rear of the vehicle and the lower portions are going to be your dirtiest. Well, that is just not the case after touchless wash with my Rapid Touchless. It is absolutely amazing. But I don't have to tell you that after you are seeing what I'm seeing. So get you some. March 1st is the spring kickoff sale at detailjuice.com. We are converting the site from detailjuice.com to rapidriderehab.com. But as of right now, and for the spring kickoff sale, you're going to go to detailjuice.com, and that's where you'll find all of the 2026 products under the Rapid Ride Rehab umbrella. So as they say, holler at your boy if you want some good stuff. Man, it looks good. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and give me a call at 813-846-4406 or send me a text message if you need me. Later.